So you might be wondering how you can add text on the Snapchat using the Apple Watch. And if you download the app from the App Store, make sure it's installed on the Apple Watch as well. When you open it up, it doesn't really do anything, right? It's just like a yellow screen with the Snapchat logo on it. So it's kind of hard to figure out what you can do. And basically, the only way how you can add text from it is whenever you receive a snap of a text form, and then you'll be able to open it up using this app and use the reply feature where the keyboard or input text options appear, and you can type in the reply and send it back. But that is essentially everything that you can do with this application. Even if you check out the App Store and just type in a Snapchat, of course, you'll be able to see the preview for individual platforms. So you can see what it looks like on the iPhone, on the iPad, and on the Apple Watch as well. And on the Apple Watch, we only have a notification of incoming snap, the ability to reply, and this like logo type of thing. So, the app isn't really doing that much. The whole purpose of the Watch app is basically to use it as a notification machine and having the ability to quickly reply to some snaps. But other than that, you can't just select a contact and just type them in directly from the watch. I'm not saying it would be the most practical thing ever, but you still cannot really do it. So that's how you can just text on Snapchat on Apple Watch. That is the option that you have. Subscribe for more tutorials and explanations, I guess, like this one, and I'll see you later in the future.